So this question is a system of equations question, but strategically I'm going to call it an island question. So island questions always have the equation or system of equations floating on top of the question. Whenever I see that, I input the equation that's floating on top, the island basically, directly into DESMOS. Now with this one, I'm going to make a slight detour and really consider, do I really want to enter S and R in DESMOS knowing that that will lead me to have a slider? I don't think it's necessary. And in fact, when I read the question, it says, what is the solution, RS, to the given system of equations? Now this is telling me that R is just replacing X and that S is replacing Y, right? Because typically we'd have an ordered pair or an ordered pair here that's X, Y. So what I decided to do was to graph this system of equations, but to switch out the R with X and to switch out the S with Y. So here's what we get by doing that. Here's my first equation with that switch. Here's my second equation with that switch as well. And we can see that the point of intersection is here at 3, 6. Therefore, R is 3 and S is 6. And therefore, our answer is 3, 6. So going back here to the answer choices, this means that choice B is the correct answer here. Just to call out the obvious fact here as well, DESMOS is definitely not required for a question like this. We could simply say that we know R is 3. Let's just plug in 3 there, making this equation say S plus 7 times 3 equals 27. And therefore, this just turns into a simplify question. Simplified questions are short, somewhere between 1 and 3 lines long, and contain an equation. So while this does fit the description of an island question, it also fits the description for a simplified question. And I like to simplify anytime that I possibly can. So being that the question told us that R is 3, I'm just replace R with 3 in the first equation. This gets me to S plus 21 equals 27. I subtract 21 from both sides, and I get that S is equal to 6. The only answer choice where S is equal to 6 is choice B, and I knew already from the beginning that R was equal to 3, so that's how I would confirm that choice B is the correct answer using this other strategy, simplification or simplify.